Good morning, everyone. Today, I don't want to talk about English as a subject you studied in school. I want to talk about English as the operating system of global business. In a world where AI can translate text in seconds, why should you, a busy professional, spend your precious time learning English? The answer is simple: connection, information, and opportunity. First, let's talk about information. Over 50% of the internet's content is in English. In fields like tech, finance, and science, English is the primary language of discovery. If you wait for a translation in your native language, you are already late. To lead in your industry, you need to drink from the source. English allows you to access the world's brain in real time. Second, English is no longer the language of the UK or the US. It is our language, the language of the non-native majority. When a business person from Brazil meets a partner from Vietnam, they speak English. If you don't speak English, you are invisible in these global conversations. English is the bridge that lets you participate in the decisions that shape the world. Finally, business is built on trust. AI can translate your data, but it cannot translate your spirit. When you look a partner in the eye and say, "I believe in this project," without a translator, you create a human connection. People do business with people they trust. Your voice, even with an accent, is your most powerful tool for building that trust. My friends, don't aim for perfection, aim for communication. You don't need to sound like a BBC newsreader. You need to sound like a leader who is ready to collaborate. The world is waiting for your ideas. Don't let a language barrier hold your talent back. Let's unlock the future together. Thank you.